Hello everyone, welcome to question number 14. Check if linked list is palindrome from the topic linked list in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Just have a quick look at the question and be discussing the meaning and the approach behind it. Before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We will be very quick to respond. I hope everyone know what is a palindrome. If you start reading from left to right, suppose 1 2 1 1 2 1, right? This is same from left side and right side also. This is a palindrome number. This is a palindrome number. We know this visually, but in terms of coding, how can we approach? That is the most important part here. Now let us understand how can we approach in terms of coding now. Let us take this same example 1 2 1 1 2 1 only. Since this is a even palindrome, we are going to divide this in two parts. This will be our left part and this will be our right part. Okay. The use of doing this is we can compare them easily. Now I told from left side, and if you read from right side, that should be same. Okay. But in terms of linked list, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is pointing in straight direction, right? Now we can use head pointer to count from left to right, but how will you count from right to left? It is not possible. So what we have to do is we are dividing this in left and right side element. Okay. After dividing, this will look like this 1 to 1, and this will look like 1 to 1 again. Okay. Now we are going to reverse the above example. We can reverse either the second box or we can reverse either the left box, but you only have to reverse one side of the element. Okay. After reversing this, okay, we can, after reversing this again, this will be 1 to 1 only. Okay. In this example it is same, but in other cases in palindrome the number could be a different one. Okay. After reversing, we got the left side as 1 to 1, and right side we don't have to reverse one part. Okay, only one side we have to reverse, and right side will remain as it is. That will be 1 2 1. After reversing one side, now if we compare the elements, both of them are same. Okay, again count like this only. If any element is different, then and there we return false, but if it is equal till the end, then we return true to the compiler. Then this is a palindrome. Okay, if any value is wrong, then it is not a palindrome. Okay, let us take one more example so it will be more clear to you. I hope you have understood this part. Now let's follow this example. Okay, we will be taking 1 2 2 1 here. Now what we have to do is we have to reverse it. Okay, I told first divide in two parts. We divided. Now reverse the left side part. After reversing, it will be 2 1. Okay, now this will be our new left, and right side leave it as it is. Right side will be 2 1. This will be right. Now compare both the list after dividing and reversing one side of the linked list. Now compare them, 2 2 same, 1 1 is same. Then this is a palindrome element. Okay, this is the logic behind this question. You just have to divide it in two groups and reverse one side of that group and then compare. After comparing, if everything is fine, then it is a palindrome. If any element is different in comparison, then it is not a palindrome. I hope you have understood till this part. If you haven't understood, let's go to the coding section. After seeing the code and implementing yourself, it will be more clear to you. We are inside the Geek for Geeks website now, and here we're going to use fast pointer and slow pointer approach to divide it in two parts. If you want to know what fast pointer and slow pointer does, I will be sharing a link. You can click on the link given on the right side corner of the screen, or you can click on the description box. Okay, I have already solved fast and slow pointer problem. You can see from that. Now coming to this question, fast pointer will move two address ahead and slow pointer will move one address ahead. Why we are doing this is when fast pointer approaches the end of the list, the slow pointer will be exactly at the middle element position. Okay, and we want to be at the middle element position. Okay, if we are at the middle element position, then left side left side length will be equal to the right side length. Okay, and we want that exactly to happen. Fine. Now we have taken previous equal to none here. Now we have taken previous equal to none here. Okay, and we will be using that to reverse one side of the element. Okay, I have a separate video for this also, how to reverse a linked list. I will be sharing that link on the right side of the screen. Top right, you can see a link there. You can click there and learn how to reverse a linked list. Okay. This while loop is used for reversing a linked list. After reversing, we are placing the head pointer in the left side and we are placing the previous point on the right side. Okay. After reversing and dividing in left and right, we are comparing the left side element with right side element data. If it is not equal, then we return false. But if it is equal, we just keep on comparing both the elements. Okay. After getting out of the loop, then it means every element is equal. So we return true immediately. I hope you have understood the approach and meaning. There are two methods in this question which I have already discussed. One is the fast pointer and slow pointer method, and another is reversing a linked list. Okay, please check both of those links and understand what is happening in that. And come to this question again. It will be very easy to understand after watching both of those videos. I will be sharing those link below in the description and it will also appear on the top right icon in the screen. If you like the video, give us a like and also subscribe if you have any extra email IDs. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet on the question.